Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Phantom wallets to make money. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your Phantom wallet and make sure it is updated to latest version available. So now there actually is two methods to make money with Phantom wallets. The first one is actually like investing on the Phantom wallets, investing in coins. So now what you need to do now, you need to tap on the buy. Then you can buy the Solana coin. Let me just say you can buy like $100. They make your payment with your MoonPay, Google Pay, or bank transfer. So now after buying this, you can make money. Or if you don't buy, you can tap on Solana, then you can receive. Maybe you have Solana in your Binance or whatever net worth your Binance or whatever crypto wallets or exchange. So now you can just tap on receive. Once you receive your Solana, now you can ahead of start earning Solana. You can head over to this section. You can stick your Solana on this section on Solana every day by just sticking your Solana. So guys, this is one of the methods earn money. Another method which you can use to end on this Solana. As you can see, you can stick. Yes, the amount, the percentage by which will be earning on this app. Depending on which you stick on, if you choose this one, you can just put the amount of Solana which you like to stick. Like let me see like 1,000. As you can see, it is showing fees and APY that will be deducted. After this estimated period of time or another way, you can end after you have Solana. If you don't want to stick, you can head over YouTube or Google, then make its own meme coins or any kind of coins that are likely to pop up during the bullion period. After making such coins, you can head over to this channel. Then you can head over select Solana, then head to watch Solana chain. Most times you can select any coin. I have made researches on that there. You have got some information that it might pump. Then you can head over then purchase the coin. For example, this coin people are actually buying it. On the West you can purchase, for example with Hertz. You can input the amount of Solana that you want to purchase. Like 15, then you see the view of everything. Once you have selected the coin, now you just come back. Then preview this order, then head over with the order, and then complete. So this is the second way. The last way to earn with this, to earn with a function wallets. The function wallets will be displayed on this section. Like people don't actually know how to buy all this meme coins. So on this section, you can come over to this app or this meme coins that people that you sell all kinds of meme coins. So once they want to buy any meme, just swap your Solana to the coin within seconds. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Phantom wallets to make money. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.